Welcome to the February 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, Joe Myers first appeared in Onsite Installer in 2004. Join us as we catch up with him to talk about the niche he's made for himself. He tackles jobs in remote places no one else will go. Jim Kneisel, editor of Onsite Installer, helps narrow down your wet show education choices with his hand-picked selection of seminars, plus an event you don't want to miss. Our experts weigh in on what makes a good installation from start to finish. Do yourself a favor and prevent future issues. After all, you'll be the one to answer for them. Check out how our old friend Dervin Whitmer of Diggett Excavating helped solve a homeowner's problem of frequent holding tank pumping. New technologies mean new solutions, and that calls for educating the public and public officials. Read on to find out how it all went down. Keeping safety the number one priority means more than addressing just the major risks. Here are 7 hazards that maybe aren't so obvious. We have a conversation with Bruce Ellingson in Park River, North Dakota. Find out how his association is making strides in updating the state's septic code. In Rules and Regs, read how nitrogen pollution in a Florida lagoon is affecting manatees and how this has led to a lawsuit affecting permits. Septic risers can be prone to frost heaving, which is exactly the problem Riser Wrap addresses. See if this product would be helpful for your customers. Onsite Installer is your magazine, so share your ideas with us at editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thanks for watching and see you next month.